Struggling to brainstorm ideas, market your business, do your academic works, write blogs, generate code, create an image, and make a voiceover in a day? Just like this guys? Having a tough day like them? Meet ScriptBreeze.
Make your life easier with ScriptBreeze AI. Sit back and watch. Anyone can do it with ScriptBreeze AI. Even your grandma could log in and get started. Well, that's true. It's that easy. I didn't even ask for help. And with 37 languages, 540 voices, and an interactive AI chat, the world's at your fingertips. No technical knowledge needed. Just log on to www.scriptbreeze.com and see for yourself. And did you know you can also earn money when using ScriptBreeze? Just share your promo code with your friends. Oh, someone just signed up using your code. And there's your bank alert for your commission made.
Choose ScriptBreeze AI and breeze through life.